Hello YouTube and welcome back to another fucking banger, guys. Happy New Year, everyone. I love you guys so much. It's been a little bit since I've posted a YouTube video and I just want to give you guys an update on my life, and I want to tell you guys how to really take on this year and make it amazing. Let's get into it. Let's go. I went on a trip to Mexico with my family. Super nice, super relaxing. Had a great time. Got back on New Year's Eve. Holy shit, the flights are crazy, bro. Southwest is crazy. Like, baggage claim, all this stuff, it's actually just going insane. And now I'm back. My school resumes tomorrow and we are back, bro. We are fucking happy as hell. Just I'm on a routine. I'm really positive. I'm motivated. I'm happy, and I'm gonna make amazing content for you guys. I just dropped $1,000 on like a brand new camera setup and like tripods and all this shit. So we're gonna fucking go all out, baby. Let's get it. But in this video, I'm just gonna quickly tell you guys the things that I'm working on for myself and how I'm doing it, so maybe you guys can get a little bit of motivation as well. But I want you guys in the following YouTube videos to take notes on what I'm saying, and I want you guys to improve with me, because 2023, this is our year. Okay, I know for a fact I am going to be the best version of myself this year. I'm going to actually succeed on all my dreams and all my goals. I swear to God, bro. This year is going to be amazing, guys. I can't even describe to you guys like how excited I am to be here now. How excited I am to be in 2023 with a positive mindset, these goals in my head, and just I'm just so happy. And let's get it, bro. Let's fucking go. These are the things that I'm going to be working on this year. The first thing that I'm going to be working on is my discipline. How am I working on my discipline? I am going to be taking cold showers every single day this whole fucking year. And I swear to God, bro, I'm not joking you. I've been doing this for a while now. And like sometimes I fall out of like the consistency with it. I'll take a warm shower in the morning, whatever. But truly, I mean, only 2 days in and I've already been doing it, and I feel so much better, so much clear-minded, and my skin is already getting better. My hair is getting really healthy and better. And there's just so many benefits. I know I keep talking about the cold showers if you guys have seen my other videos, but I promise you, if you do this every morning, your life will fucking change. It truly builds discipline in yourself. You know, you're fighting that cold, you're fighting the urge and that voice in your head in the morning that's like, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do this, but you're still gonna fucking do it, and you're gonna get through it, and it's okay. It's okay, because it's really good for you as well. The second thing that I'm going to be working on this year is my fitness. I really was slacking last year, I'm not gonna lie. I was really thrown off with a lot of things. I was getting distracted with the party life, you know, being lazy and like playing video games all day and doing all this bullshit like, oh, I'll go to the gym tomorrow. Oh, I'm in shape. Like, I'm fine. Like, whatever, right? Oh, I'll have a candy here and there. But I really do, and I really am going to stay disciplined this year. I'm going to go to the gym every single day. I'm going to get some sort of physical exercise in my daily routine every single day. I'm actually going to go after I finish making this video with one of my friends, and, you know, we're going to hit a good session. I just started boxing as well. It's really, really fucking good. I grew up my whole life playing tennis, and now I'm not in school anymore, like in high school, right? I'm in college now, and learning how to box is really good. I think every guy should, like, or anyone, honestly, should learn how to, you know, some sort of martial arts or some sort of like physical activity where it involves you know, defense or fighting or some sort, or something in that type of category, because I think it's very good for discipline. You know, it allows you to conquer that aspect of fear and anxiety in your mind that shows you that you can do these things, and that you can, you know, you can like defend yourself, or you have these skill sets like inside of yourself, right? It's also just really good physical exercise. So I would strongly suggest to anyone out there to start boxing or you know, jujitsu or MMA or whatever it is, whatever you have an interest in, or maybe you have an idea that you want to try it out. I would strongly suggest that you do it. The third thing that I'm going to be working on this year is my sense of self, my practices with spirituality. This involves meditation, affirmations, and visualization, basically. Those are the three pillars that I put into my sphere of visualization and manifestation and spirituality as a whole. I really wasn't paying attention to myself last year. You know, I was really worried about who likes me and, you know, what friend this, that, whatever. And it's just like, I just wasn't giving myself enough love. And I know for a fact this year I'm going to be doing that a lot more. And I've already seen a lot of changes, you know. I think the hardest thing that we deal with every single day is realizing who our true friends are, realizing who's a positive influence in our life. And I've started to really take note of that. And I'm making a change, and I'm giving myself the love and the attention that I deserve, you know. This involves me hanging out with the right people, you know, making the right choices in my day-to-day activities, and just being around a positive small group of individuals. And real quickly, this is just a small short video introduction to this year, you know, introduction to the YouTube, man. I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy to start streaming again and do all that jazz. But I think the last thing I'm going to be working on is also just you know, like, just being grateful and enjoying the little things. You know, I feel like taking it slow has really changed my life. And I used to be really like, I need to get this done now, or I need to leave, like FOMO. But I think I'm starting to take more time on things, and it's really, really useful. You know, taking your time to get up in the morning, do your daily routine, your morning routine it's really nice. It's really therapeutic, and I'm really excited for what's gonna happen. You know, I've been taking more time for myself. I really have been taking things slow. You know, I'm not driving as fast as I used to because I'm not in a rush to go anywhere. You know, if I'm going home, I'm happy to go home to see my parents, and I'm enjoying the drive that I'm on. Or, you know, I'm going to the gym and I'm taking my exercises slowly so I can truly feel the muscle mind connection, right? You know, I'm making my bed nice and slow. Like, I'm taking my time. And I think it's a skill that everyone should work on, because when you take your time, you allow yourself to see the good in the little things. You allow yourself to be grateful for everything that you have. And I would strongly suggest that everybody work on that. You guys should all work on that, because it's really nice. It takes the madness away from our routines and just school and everything that's around us. And it allows us to, you know, just be human. It allows us to be who we are and just live our fucking lives. But yeah, I mean, those are just some of the things that I'm going to be working on this year. You know, I hope by the end of this year, maybe I'll get into a relationship. I'll find someone special, you know, we'll see. But otherwise, man, you just got to keep pushing, you know. We're alone. We're grinding, but that's how it rolls, you know. The time that you spend with yourself is nice. And if you're lonely, it's okay. Because you learn to love that time by yourself. You learn to, you know, just love yourself. You learn to, like, take things slow and move forward in your life. Do what you want to do. You know, chase your dreams. Achieve what you want to do, right? Do the things that you don't have to worry about other people judging you. Do the things that you want to do, right? And I think it's truly powerful and it's really special. But that's basically all I really have to say, guys. I mean, I'm so stoked. I'm fucking hyped to be back, baby. Let's go. I'm making amazing content, bro. Like, fuck, man. Ah, man, I'm just fuck, dude. I know this year's gonna be great. It's gonna be great for all of us, man. I know it's gonna be great, man. Let's go. But get enough sleep, guys. Eat healthy. Stay strong. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to keep updating you guys. And I'm making YouTube videos. I'm back, bro. I'm going to try to do it every single day. I want to. I want this. I want it so bad. And I just want to change the world, man. I just want to change the world. I'm back, baby. GV is fucking back, baby. Let's go. Let's fucking go, man. I'm truly grateful for all of you guys. I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support. We're growing. We're learning. And even if I'm growing super slowly compared to a lot of creators, I'm in this for the long run. I want to do this for the rest of my fucking life, bro. I want to one day do motivational speaking. I want to make amazing merch. I want to make amazing drops for people so that kindness, positivity, and love are just spread out there into the world, you know? And I want to tell the world that you are in control of your life. You are in control no matter what circumstances you're in. And you can do anything that you put your mind to. You can do anything. You can do anything that you can do anything you want to. You know. You have all the power, and you can achieve anything you want. That's all I want to say. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you go check out the merch. We got the Love Yourself merch right here. I can show you guys the back real quick. Bro, the back of the shirt. Here's the back of the shirt, bro. It's fucking hard. We got GV there, bro. But, like, that's what I'm saying, man. Make sure to stay tuned for the streams, guys. If you guys haven't already, you know, read my Instagram caption on my last post. It's at GVBoy with an underscore. Holy shit. I really put effort into that caption, and it really captures everything, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm really happy. Like, I'm really happy, and I'm blessed. I'm super grateful for you guys and everything, man. Thank you guys, for real. This is our year. This is the comeback year. You have all the tools now. Let's fucking propel forward and make this year amazing, guys. Let's go. Thank you guys for all the support. Leave a comment. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave a like, baby. And I will see you all in the next one. Adios. Love you guys. Peace.